भारत की मशहूर होम इंटीरियर कंपनी डिज़ाइन कैफ़े अब नोएडा पहुंच चुकी है। उत्तर भारत में अपना विस्तार करते हुए कंपनी ने यहां 2700 वर्ग फुट का एक शानदार एक्सपीरियंसिंग सेंटर लॉन्च किया है। इस सेंटर की खासियत है यहां की पूरी तरह से तैयार 3 BHK अपार्टमेंट, जहां आप मॉड्यूलर किचन और वार्डरोब के बेहतरीन डिज़ाइन को लाइव देख और महसूस कर सकते हैं। 65,000 वर्ग फुट की अपनी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट और आधुनिक जर्मन तकनीक के दम पर डिज़ाइन कैफ़े आपको देता है पारदर्शी प्रक्रिया और प्रीमियम क्वालिटी का भरोसा। पूरे भारत में अपने 21वें स्टोर के साथ अब कंपनी NCR के घर मालिकों को वर्ल्ड क्लास इंटीरियर सॉल्यूशन देने के लिए तैयार है। अगर आप भी अपने घर को एक मॉडर्न और प्रीमियम लुक देना चाहते हैं तो डिज़ाइन कैफ़े नोएडा का अनुभव ज़रूर लें।
Me and Geeta started this brand with one main purpose, which was to democratize design. हम खुद आर्किटेक्ट थे और जब हमको लगा कि जब हम डिजाइन कर रहे थे, हमारे क्लाइंट्स थे, एक वक्त ऐसा आ गया था कि हमारे फीस हम खुद नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते। अगर मैं मेरा घर बनाना चाहूँ, I could afford myself. So I said, yeah, what kind of design is this that only the very rich can afford a good design and a good experience? We should do something that has a larger reach. So in 2016, that is when me and Geeta decided that we will leave what we were doing, uber luxurious home, hotels, etc., and start this brand with the main aim to democratize design. And that was our first pitch to a design cafe, democratizing design. And that's why we called it Design Cafe, because we wanted people to come in, feel comfortable, have a cup of coffee, etc., and feel like they're entering their own home, talk to our team like they're family members, and then go. Which is why we didn't name the company Shazan and Geeta or whatever you see typical designers are named. We wanted to make sure that the brand lives longer and we build a long brand. So we had the vision in 16, we will want to build something that's large. It's now been, this is our 10th year, so it's been 10 years since we started this company. Now I think we are in over 15 cities. If I'm not, this is the 15th city if I'm not mistaken, or probably 16th city. We are now looking to add 1 or 2 new cities every 3 months going forward. Today we have more than 800 team members in the company with our own factory in Bangalore. And it's been a great journey with an amazing team. I think a lot of people, by the way, जिनसे मिलोगे यहाँ पर, they've been with us for a long time. Anup is our COO. He's been with us for almost 7 years now. His 7th year running. 7th year running. And a lot of people that you see who made this possible have been with us for a long time. We love doing this. Both Geeta and I are very passionate about building this business. What we like about our stores is that we bring you the best of what the world has to offer in terms of finishes, in terms of quality, in terms of material, at a price that is very affordable. The same kitchen, if you go to an Italian company, you will be paying almost double for the same quality. So the Design Cafe difference is the fact that you get access to world-class quality and it's made in India. The other thing that we are known for, 2 things. One is that we say that a Design Cafe home comes with 20% more space. If you go around the store, you will find small places where you'll be surprised, there's storage there, or I can show you a couple of people around, and you will feel that difference, that in your own house, you can add 20% more space by using our products. So the value to you is you come to us and we give you free 20% more space. The other thing is that we generally believe that India में जब घर बनता है ना, तो हर एक घर के पीछे एक कहानी होती है, राइट? आपने अगर घर खरीदा है तो एक बड़ी कठिन कहानी होगी आपकी। आपने मतलब आप 10 साल से 20 साल से 5 साल जो भी सालों से आप सोच रहे हैं कि यार मेरा एक घर होगा, राइट? एटलीस्ट हमारे लिए वही था कि एक घर होगा, एक है हमारे अंदर के जो घर आप फाइनली लेते हो, तो यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ड्रीम्स। आपकी ख्वाहिश होती है कि इस घर को मैं ऐसे बनाओ वैसे बनाओ। वी वांट आवर टीम टू एम्बाइब दैट होल कल्चर के यार हमारे पास कोई कस्टमर आता है घर बनाने के लिए, तो याद रखो कि आपके लिए आप महीने में 4 घर करते होंगे, 5 घर करते होंगे जो डिजाइनर है, लेकिन उनके लिए वो जिंदगी का मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम है। सो वो जो आपके जो मायने हैं, द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दैट हाउस वी अंडरस्टैंड। and we want to. That's why we personalize the house for you. So it's the only large brand in India where you can personalize your design, you can personalize your colors, you can personalize it to you, not how I want it, but what suits you. क्या आप book पढ़ते हैं, क्या music चाहते हैं, क्या आप sports खेलते हैं, and how do you bring that into design? So I think those are the few reasons. In fact, for the longest time, again I'll stop talking in a while. I tend to talk a little bit more when I start talking. Most founders are like this. We had this PPT in Design Cafe, and the first, I think maybe 200 employees would see that PPT. It was called "How to Get Customers to Love You," because our only what we train them is your job is to make sure people love you. That's all. Don't sell to them, but understand what they want. Get them to be your friends. And the true success is not how much billing you do, but after the home is complete. If they call you to their house for dinner or lunch, then you have been successful. So for us, success meant that customers called our team members, or those times me as well, to their home for dinner and lunch. And that I think is still the one true, I would say, barometer of success for us. That if all the homes we do, if customers end up calling you home for lunch and dinner, then you have been successful in what you started out to do. It may look beautiful, it may look all of that, but really, have you become friends with them or family with them? So I'm very happy all are here. I hope that you will help us spread this message of design, of love and beauty to everybody in the NCR region. Thank you so much for coming.